morning, Metro sent me a link from Facebook for a $1,000 car. It looked awesome, and I'm really fucking jazzed about it. I'm not revealing what it is yet. You guys will see that in a minute. But I got it for $700, and now we're going to pick it up. And apparently it must be really worthwhile to me because I'm driving 10 hours to get it today. Also, reveal yourself, cameraman. It's a Coral. Coral came with me. We're getting rid of his old
Honda Coral.
Driving along, and all of a sudden there's this massive fucking smoke screen in front of us. We had no idea where it was coming from. Turns out these fellers we've been following for a little while, the red hose just blew off that guy's truck, and it just fucking covered the entire highway in coolant. But yeah, they're okay. They're just gonna cut it and reattach the hose, and hopefully they'll make where they're going. The official owners of this rocket. $700 well spent. Let me show you what we're working with here. It's a pretty big deal. Hood latch works properly, so that's better than most of the cars that I have. Fuck yeah. Look at all that power. Ever out in the racetrack before you know it. Sitting on dubs. Okay, so fuck. We got a long ways south, and then we're pretty sure that the coil pack just died, and we're out here, and it's it's pretty desolate. So thankfully we're Why? You're not that far away from Whitecourt, so we're just gonna call a tow truck and hide the car somewhere in Whitecourt and see if I can get parts in town and drive back to Whitecourt tomorrow, which sucks because I gotta drive all the fucking way back out here again, but the timing belt's still attached? That could be a problem, right? Can't really see. Yeah, it looks like there's some version of a timing belt in there, I think. Yeah. Anyway, see how it goes. An entire fucking day later, and one new ignition coil, and a mic. It works! Yay!
Any tools?
Yeah, Mike's kind of excited. I think he wants to go. You want me to put the hood down?
Hey, your car.
That's the spirit. This is just water.
Looks like water. Hey, saved you having to go and get any, hey?
That's true.
Yeah. You know what? That antifreeze level is just perfect for this weather.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's August. So low, I'm going to say. But I'm also going to say not empty.
Kind of explains why it seemed to be getting kind of hot last night. I turned the heater on and it seemed to go away. Oh, fuck. Thanks, 1.3. No pesky engine to get in the way of things falling to the ground.
Yeah, that's definitely a plus. So, gonna check the oil?
Why?
Well, I don't know. It's always nice to know if there is supposed to be any in it. It's a 1.3 liter engine, right? It's only supposed to have 1.3 liters of oil in it? Is that how that works?
Yeah, I think so. So.
Oh, well, that's probably...
Well, I mean, like, you don't...
How could it not have enough?
Is this a regular thing? You're supposed to do that? check the oil.
Well,
So what, to see what color it is, or just? So it's this thing here, is it? I mean, the stick is the right color, right? Is that fine? That's good, right? It's yeah.
so where's the level right now? Once you stick it in there.
Just right, I'll wipe it off. You're probably right. There's probably some in there. We'll check it again. No, it's right there. It's good. It's good. That's right.
Where's the full?
Up there.
Right. Where's
So-
the ad?
I believe it's here in the middle. That's where you.
Probably the lower one.
Yeah.
That's probably the ad. And where's the oil level again?
Down, I believe down here. I think.
So there's some in there. You checked it.
Yeah. Definitely did that before I drove it for 3.5 hours. Again, I don't know why it was getting hot. Do you feel like oil might get on the belt? It's just spun all over the fucking place. Ah, fuck. We changed the timing belt and it was ticking like a bastard, and then I angrily went, fuck it, I don't care if this engine blows up, and drove to Tim Hortons and got myself a fucking large regular, and ticking stopped. So
Roadkill.
it's, yeah, everything's fine, I guess. So now Steve's driving it. See, there's Steve over there.
I fit.
Yeah, he actually fits better in this than any car I've ever owned.
Whoa.
Yeah, she's a little wobbly. The struts are gone. They're not there. They exist, but they're really just not holding anything up. Or actually, I was gonna take him for a drive. She's a fucking vicious beast. Steven's all over the fucking steering wheel.
It's just in a standard go-kart.
Yeah, that's all we were looking for. Yeah, it's great. Now we just gotta put some fucking Honda garbage in there and it'll be fucking perfect.
The engine's just gonna fall out on the ground. Is there a spot in this
It was
thing?
blown up an hour ago, so I don't really care.
No, if anybody knows me and I put a seatbelt on, we're doing some stupid shit.
Oh no.
I want to hold on to your coffee. And maybe your giblets.
No, they're still there. I'll tuck them up inside for safekeeping.
Awesome.
Good news is, if we roll it over, it won't take much to flip it back over.
No.
Now, seat bolstering leaves a bit to be desired, but it was definitely a wheel off the ground just then.
And the torque steer.
Oh no, torque steer's good. You want that. Oh man, I'm gonna lose my wallet out the fucking window. Good shoulder check.
Hey, look. We have brakes, do we not?
Yeah, brand new ones. I just put them on. He hits it going over the bump.
I don't even have to hold the steering wheel to fucking move lanes. It just does it on its own.
Yeah. Honestly, I think we could just lean.
That's probably why it's pulling so hard that way. It's sitting over here. Oh.
For the record, if you can't really tell, Steve's a fairly big guy. That's why we were making the joke about him fitting into the car.
All 300 pounds.
I cannot believe how well you fit in this car.
Ooh, that almost wasn't cool.
Ooh.
No, I just thought that was a straight through street. I just been ripped in there and fucking got on it.
Checking the
Can I see if
motor.
it'll spin the wheels?
Yeah, fuck yeah, you got to. You can actually smell tire smoke. Holy
that
shit.
one?
Oh yeah, that one was fucking giving it.
It's impressive.
You're the first person to do that, by the way. No one else has gotten to do that yet.
I don't like that steering wheel.
What? Well, stop doing that.
Well, I was just driving and it slid in. I was like, what?
Well, don't pull it out. That's probably why the fucking thing doesn't work.
Oh,
Don't
we're racing.
Don't do it.
What?
I kind of smell oil. Do you smell oil?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
probably good, right?
It's burning oil.
No, it's fine.
I'm doing it.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
All right, then. You had heat in the tires there. You couldn't quite get them to spin. The best part is they're tiny, dry rotted Econo tires. So if you just get them a bit, they go. Ah! Don't do that. Please no. You can see lots out the fucking window, eh?
Looks like it's got a nice smear of oil on it.
It probably does, actually. It's so slow. Sounds amazing.
Sunshine. Not much point having a tack if you're gonna fucking shift it at 6,000 RPM.